with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, our week got off to a warmer start as we saw a few clouds in the sky today, but still plenty of sunshine, and turned out to be warmer across the area and dry. But as we head through the week, of course, we've got plenty of changes on the way. Right now, though, these are the current temperatures, and inland we are at 89 degrees at Falfurrias, 82 Robstown, Rockport, you're at 76 degrees, and heading into a pretty nice evening there as we have that breeze that has picked up from the east-southeast. We have winds up to 18 miles an hour, and that's pumping in a little bit of moisture. Humidity is going to continue to climb the next couple of days with our onshore flow. As we cool down tonight, though, and we have that moisture moving in, we could see some fog. Here is Fog Tracker for tonight, and especially our inland areas. You may see those visibilities down to a mile, possibly pockets less than a mile. But you can see here, Fog Tracker through 7 o'clock in the morning. You can see how those visibilities drop here, just under a mile at Alice, a half a mile, just over a half at Falfurrias. So watch for that early tomorrow. But you can see by mid-morning we're already clearing out, and then we'll see some clouds building tomorrow and a pretty warm day. Tonight's forecast, it's warmer tonight. We only drop into the low to mid 60s across the area. 65 degrees tonight, a light breeze, and mostly cloudy skies with some areas of fog. And then tomorrow looks like a warm afternoon. There's a chance we could pick up a stray shower. There's a very weak frontal boundary approaching. It's hardly going to be noticeable, and that may kick off a shower or two. But all in all, it looks like a pretty dry day and warm again as we reach 82 by 1 o'clock, and at 5 o'clock 76 degrees. So tomorrow's high temperatures a little bit above average, reaching into those low to mid 80s if you live inland, with 84 degrees at Mathis tomorrow, 83 Corpus Christi, Port Aransas right around 78 degrees. So warming up a little here the next couple of days, but you'll want to enjoy it now, because if you don't like the cooler weather, well, that's coming back at us very soon. In fact, look at this Arctic air. This is up in Canada, and you can see how it's trying to ooze southward. It's already pretty cold up there in the northern plains while we are sitting here in the warmer air. Our warm, humid airflow continues here in the coastal bend with our east-southeast winds, but there is a weak front right here that's not going to do much for us. That comes through to late tomorrow, but this is the one right here with the Arctic air behind it. That's Thursday's front, and that one you will notice. Take a look at Future Tracker. This is starting tomorrow morning. Again, we have some clouds, perhaps a stray shower tomorrow, but all in all, pretty dry and warm day here. That weak front barely gets through here and kind of fizzles out. And then as we get into Wednesday and Thursday, here's that Arctic front that I showed you. Notice as that approaches Thursday, it doesn't get here, though, until later in the afternoon and evening. The timing is going to be tricky on this one, but we should warm up out ahead of it, pick up some scattered showers, perhaps a thunderstorm, and then the front barrels through here. You know the story. The wind picks up, the cooler air comes in, the rain eventually ends as the drier air works its way in early Friday morning, and then we're cooler and drier for next weekend. So here is your 7-day forecast. This is brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car, even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So all in all, here's what's going on. The next few days, we have a stray shower chance through Wednesday. Not much rain here. Nice and warm during the days, nights dipping into those 60s. Pretty mild nights ahead. Here's that front, and that chance of rain right now looks like it's Thursday in the afternoon and evening. The front at this time looks like it's coming in later in the day. If that changes, so will this temperature. But you can see the difference it makes. By the time we wake up Friday morning, we're in the 50s. Another mild weekend ahead of us for Saturday and Sunday, and then our next front moves in next Monday.